Hello everyone, welcome to Aileen Bite Tips. Today we are making cat-shaped cheesecake inspired by Neko Neko cheesecake store from Tokyo, Japan. The crust tastes like butter cookies and the filling is creamy cheesecake topped with apricot jam. It's so cute and also very delicious. Let's get started. Everything we need. For the crust, we need 10 grams of sugar, 80 grams of cake flour, 50 grams of almond flour, 70 grams of butter, 1 pinch of salt, 35 grams of heavy cream. For the cheesecake filling, we need 60 grams of cream cheese, 25 grams sugar, and 60 grams heavy cream, 1 egg, and also 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. For the topping, you can choose any fruity jam as you desired. Today, I'm choosing the apricot jam. First, I'm going to put the room temperature butter, cut it into pieces in a big stirring bowl. Also add 35 grams of heavy cream, 1 pinch of salt. So now I'm going to use a sieve to filter the cake flour and the almond flour. Toss away the big chunk away. Okay, before I mix the dry ingredient together, I am going to preheat the whole oven first. Okay, and smash the butter. Mix with the flour and the salt and sugar together into a dough bowl. Make sure the butter is melted and combined with the flour until you cannot see the butter itself. Alright, like this. And I am ready to transfer to the cat-shaped mold. Right, put a baking sheet on a baking plate and use a cat-shaped mold and dump the dough inside. And then flatten first. Make sure the thickness of the crust is even. The height of the crust is about 1 inch. Alright, I feel that it's evenly already. And then use a fork to make small holes on the bottom. And then you can bake it. And then we are ready to bake. Put it in the middle rack of the oven. Bake for 10 minutes. Use a small glass bowl and cut the cream cheese into tiny pieces and put it inside. And also add 60 grams of heavy cream, 25 grams of sugar. And so I will save these 2 ingredients, the vanilla extract and the egg, for later. Right now I'm going to heat up a bit to melt the cream cheese. Use a saucepan, fill the water to 1/4 and turn the heat to the medium heat. Put the bowl inside. Mix the cream cheese and heavy cream with sugar together and pressed a little bit to make it liquid. So the cheese is not very easy to melt it, this brand of cheese, the cream cheese. So I'm going to use a mixer. Okay, use a mixer to mix with the cream cheese. Okay, because this brand of cream cheese is more harder than the usual brand because it has a harder crust. So I'm going to use a blender. Right, and let the mixture cool down. After 10 minutes, take out the crust out. Okay, let it cool down. After it cool down, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, also 1 beaten egg. Okay, mix the beaten egg. Okay, mixing well. Okay. Pour the cheesecake mixture inside the crust we baked earlier. And because it has bubbles, you need to shake the bubbles out. Okay. Okay, and then I'm going to send it in the oven. Okay. Put it in the middle rack and bake for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, take out the cake from the oven. Let it chill down. Right now, the cheesecake is fully cooled down. Take out the cake mold. Transfer the cake to the plate. Spread the apricot jam on top, or any other fruity jam you desire. Evenly spread the jam, even the crust. You can spread some jam on top. Oh, okay, it's done. Okay, so this is today's cat-shaped cheesecake. You can also decorate some fruit or herb leaf you like. It's super cute and also very delicious. Make sure to try this recipe at home. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell. See you next time!